Hey.
Princess.
So you have bought the clothes? Good afternoon. You have bought the clothes? Okay, now go and buy my own too. Okay.
Princess, please.
Okay, don't worry, call me back
Please,
later.
I want
Call
to
me
see
back
you.
later.
Please, I want to see Mommy Love. Is she around, please?
Precious, right?
Yes.
I
How
thought
are
as much.
How is everything?
I'm fine. Are you?
I'm fine. Please,
What do you want?
I want to see Mommy Love.
You want to see Mommy Love?
Yes. Please. Please, I want to see. I
But
want to see her now, please.
Your appointment is not today.
It's urgent. Please, before my husband will come from work, I want to see her. It's very urgent.
I don't think that will be possible today.
Why?
Because you can't see Mommy Love. Mommy Love is very busy. There are a lot of people waiting to see Mommy Love.
Please.
You cannot just come in. You want to see Mommy Love.
It's urgent. Please understand me, please.
Okay, now that is an emergency, there's a solution, there's a way out.
Well, tell me, what do you want me to do?
For you to see Mommy Love,
Yeah.
you have to pay for an emergency fee.
Emergency?
Of course.
No problem. I don't have to worry.
Yeah.
No problem.
So involve envelope.
You mean it?
Yes, it's a 50
No,
euro.
no problem. No problem. 50 euro.
50 euro.
For Mommy Love.
Not for Mommy Love, emergency fee.
Okay.
Mommy Love is bigger than 50. What is 50 euro? Say for Mommy
So
Love.
before we see her, we need to pay. No problem.
Drop it.
Thank you.
No.
What?
Come back. You can't just go like that.
What again?
Yes, since you don't want to pass through the gate, you want to break the gate. So there are protocols. This office, somebody's here.
Yes,
Somebody that is doing everything here. So
are you talking about you?
Did you see another person here?
No.
I
need to pay?
You are not paying me. It's breaking. You want to break the door. You don't want to open the door. There are people waiting.
No problem. It's urgent.
Is it because I'm trying to be kind, to be nice to you?
What?
It's 20 euro.
Wow. Can I go?
Come. Not so far. Why is the hurry? What is it? You look beautiful today.
Thank you very much.
Like Mommy Love cancer is really working. What is it?
Please let me see.
I like this your space.
You want me to give you?
Precious, where are you going to?
I want to go.
Wait.
I should wait.
Wait, let me come on, Love. Cannot just go inside.
Okay.
Hello, princess.
Hello, Mommy Love.
Yeah. God bless you. What's your people? Most people here.
Yeah, but there's an emergency.
Emergency? Oh, let emergency come. Please explain another person. She's fulfilling the protocol, no?
Yes.
And let her in.
She has done everything.
Let her in.
Okay, ma.
Okay, let her come. Thank you.
Mommy Love solution. But wait.
What?
Don't go and start telling people that you paid.
No.
We did not collect money from you.
No, don't worry.
This is just called an office meeting now.
Okay. No problem.
We are not collecting money from people.
Okay.
Don't go outside and start telling people that you paid this, you paid it. You did not pay anything to us.
Okay.
It's an emergency, it's an office maintenance.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Hi, Mommy Love. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Beautiful lady, how are you?
Well done, ma. I'm fine, ma. I'm fine.
Are you the one that is in for emergency visa?
Yes, ma. It's me.
Aren't you Precious?
Yes, ma.
The sister of yesterday?
Yes.
Wow, you look gorgeous.
Thank you, ma.
How are you? I thought we... You can have
Mommy
this.
Love. I'm not happy.
I'm happy. After my counsel. Mommy Love counsel.
No, Mommy Love. For first time, my husband beat me. Yes. He laid hands on me.
Your husband beats
He
you?
beat hell out of me.
What did you do?
You know the advice you gave to me? Say if I cook, I should not give him anyone.
Okay, that was what I said to you.
Yes.
And what happened?
And I don't even know that my husband will come very early that day.
But he has been coming late.
But this one, I don't know what makes
So he came early yesterday?
Very early, sir. Ma.
So what now happened? You didn't give him food and he beat you?
Yes.
For not giving him food?
Yes.
Don't you have kitchen? Are you telling me that your husband doesn't go to kitchen by himself?
No. I'm the one that is doing the cooking. He gave him food. He doesn't even come to the kitchen.
Okay, yesterday you didn't give him food. What happened? I can't even remember the cancer I gave you.
No, you told me if I cook, anytime I cook, I should not give him anything.
Oh,
That is what you told me, ma.
please, okay.
Whatever God has
You know
loaded
what
into
this
this
man
year,
is disturbing
you
me.
will take a delivery of.
You are disturbing me. I'm seeing you calling. Don't you know I'm at the office?
When are you coming home?
When am I coming home? When I have people. I still have some women to attend to. You're asking me when I'm coming home. When did you start asking me when I'm coming home?
Because I want to know when we are going to eat.
My God, what are you saying? I sent some daughters from the church home to cook. Is there no food in the kitchen? I don't understand. When you start asking me when I will come home and when we are going to eat, can't you just, if there's no daughter at home there, serve, go to kitchen, eat.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Honey, you are disturbing me. Eh? I'm in my office. I don't like this. You are disturbing me. Please give yourself food. Ah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Prima, is that Daddy Gio?
Yeah, my husband.
He's the one you are talking to.
I just spoke with my husband. Do you have any problem with that?
No, ma. Sorry, ma.
Besides, why are you? Did you come here to query me? I thought you came here for your own issues of life.
Yes, ma.
And then what? Please,
I'm
you
sorry.
don't- I don't tolerate these things in my office.
Okay, ma.
Okay.
I'm sorry, ma.
I'm even thinking, are you sure you are using the counsel I gave you for yours?
That is what I'm using it.
You seems to be too forward. It's
sorry.
not good for my liking. Okay?
Sorry.
When you come to this office, please respect yourself, okay?
Okay.
So what you do, for power to change hands,
Yeah.
there must be contention. Okay? At least that's my husband. At least,
Yes.
do you know what
I
I
hear the voice.
You had a voice.
Yes.
He's a man with a higher office than your husband.
Exactly.
And it's not putting me under pressure. He can give himself food. He can cook for himself. And has that answered your question?
I've answered.
I've answered your question.
Yeah.
Go and manage your own. Handle your own. You saw what is happening. It doesn't mean I don't love him or he doesn't love me. You love your husband. But you are not a slave, okay?
Okay.
He have no right to lay hand on you. Okay?
Yeah.
He should apologize.
Okay.
Okay? When you get back home, demand an apology for him. Okay? Tell him to apologize. Did you see my husband? You know how many churches he's controlling? Still, he respects himself. Okay?
Okay.
So demand an apology for him. Okay?
Okay.
And be strong. I don't have daughters who are acting this door.
Okay.
It's because you are new here. Okay?
Okay, ma.
And one thing you must learn. Learn to open your hands. When you come to places like this, there is something called defense seed.
But I've sowed some seeds here.
What do you sow
I
seed
give
to?
I give it to your secretary.
And what did you give her?
I pay some money there.
No. You only did our office maintenance for emergency consultation.
That one is different.
Have you sold seed to me, Sisha? Don't go and tell people I'm collecting money from you. Have you sold seed to me?
No.
That is for the office maintenance.
Okay.
You should need to appreciate. You are looking beautiful. Look at you. Your husband is even caring for you. Look at your bags. Look at everything around you. Besides this, your bag is beautiful.
You like it, ma?
Very beautiful. I like it. I believe you have many of them.
Yeah, I have many.
Your husband is rich.
If you want it, I can give you, ma.
You sure?
Yes. I'll give you the bag.
Wow. You sure?
Yes, just give me something to put my purse.
Okay, that's nice. I have some nylon bag. You can make use of this. Wow. I want to put this as a defense seat for you. So by the time you come back again, you come and testify. Okay? So you are beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, so take appointment for next week. Okay?
Okay.
So do what I told you.
I will do so.
Did you learn something from this call?
I learn. I learn a lot.
So you know what to do?
Yes, ma.
Go and handle your own.
Okay, ma.
So I'm waiting for your testimony.
Okay, ma.
Beautiful girl.
Thank you, ma.
Take care of your children.
Okay.
Bye, my love. Wow. This bag is beautiful. That's nice. Wow, that's nice. Mommy love, I magnify my office. This is Mommy love.
Princess, thank you very much. I'm very happy now. Let me go and deal with this man. Enough is enough.
I trust mommy.
No.
You have learned.
I've learned a lot. Thank you very much. I'm going. Now let me go. I want to go and deal.
Go and possess your possession.
Exactly.
It's your right.
Yes.
Precious. You know I told you before that I like this suspense. I still like it too.
No, you mean by that?
I like it.
No problem. Hey, don't worry. I'll bring something.
More.
Don't worry. I know what to do. I'm going to deal with this.
I trust you. I trust you. Hey. Oh boy. I don't know. It's like this mom is love. This mom love office. And maybe this. Okay now.
Let me go and see this deaconess. I need to see her. Mommy love already taught me what I need to do. Let me go just for going sake to see her. Let me go. Hi, deaconess.
Wow!
Good afternoon, ma.
Precious, how are you?
Fine, ma.
Wow, you look beautiful.
Thank you, ma.
You coming from the market? This one that you just
Yes,
sit down.
Yes, I'm coming from there.
Wow. How are you doing?
I'm fine, ma.
How is everything?
Not much, not fine.
What is it? Are you sure you are okay?
I'm not okay.
Are you sure? What happened?
It's my husband, ma.
Again?
Yes. It's my husband.
Are you sure you are using the counsel I gave you?
I'm using it, ma. I'm using it.
Are you sure?
I'm using
Be
it.
patient.
Patient.
Be patient. It will
Be
change.
patient, ma.
It will change. It will change. If you don't want your own to be broken, you just have to build it. Be patient. And from the way I'm looking at you, it's like your husband is taking good care of you.
He's trying, but ma.
That bet, remove that bet. Okay. Just try and be patient. And you see things work well.
I will do
Okay?
so. I will do so,
Okay?
ma.
Just be patient. Pray for him, respect him, cherish him, give him food.
I will do
What
so.
you know that you are doing before he changed, go back to that thing. Okay? Okay? And God will bless you.
Thank you,
restore
ma.
your home, okay?
Amen.
I'll see you some other time. Take care of your children, alright?
Thank you, ma.
Wow.
Thank you, ma.
God bless you.
God bless you. Thank you. Hi, poor woman. She's a good woman. I love her advice. And she's saying the truth. Should I tell her the truth? Or I should use what mommy love already told me? Let me go on. Let me think it. If I will go and tell her the truth, what I'm passing through. Huh? Let me go and use what mommy said. I want to use it. Let me use it.